channel Jayrodix TV. Yes! Once again, my name is Jayson and I'm your reactor here in this channel. So, for today's video, we were going to react again another Manipur song from Northeast or from Manipur, Northeast India. And this song with the title of Koinare Maga Eiga, starring Shilheiba, Amar, and Biju. Wow! And this is Mr.Mangal official movie song release 2019. Okay, so this is a Manipur feature film by Ojit Babo Nethong Jam. Alright, so the singer here are AK Yangoy and Linda, and this is uploaded by no other than Mami Taibang. Thank you so much, Mami Taibang, for allowing me to react this kind of music. Alright, so before we start, guys, please, wow, I just want to thank guys before we start, yesterday I'm do one reaction of video, but today, guys, within 24 hours, wow, I'm so thankful. I got 1,000k views. Wow! Thank you so much, guys, for watching my reaction of video. Alright, so let's continue our reaction. Okay, so before we start again, please, for those new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and help me, guys, to reach the 6,000 subscribers. Alright, and please, again, don't forget to hit that bell button for me, for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. Alright, so let's go! Woohoo! Oh! Koinare Maga Eiga. Is this a castle? Oh, Mr.Mangal! Mr.Mangal! Woo! I'm Mr.Mangal. Oh, look at that! Oh, Biju, and this is Amar, right? This is a funny music video. Look at Shilheiba. Wow, Biju. Neng Bang. Wow. I like the acting of Shilheiba here. Wow, what a nice place here. Oh, she's still beautiful. Biju Neng Bang. Let's go, Biju. Koinare. Koinare! Koinare! Woo! Oh, look at Shilheiba. Idol. Idol Shilheiba. Wow. Shilheiba. He looks like me. We are both handsome. Huh? The best actor, Shilheiba. Oh. He is the Mr.Mangal. What do you mean, Mr.Mangal? Mr. Handsome? This is Amar. Amar is... he's so smart. Wow. The best Biju ngayong pop. Oh, finish up. Yeah. Oh, here you are. Shilheiba again. Wow, that's a very good view. Ah! Oh, that's all, guys. Wow, I like the way they act here. Mr.Mangal. Who's Mr.Mangal here? Shilheiba? Oh, thank you so much again for this music. Koinare Maga Eiga by Shilheiba, Amar, and Biju. The best artist here. Okay? So, there's a lot of what's this part here that's so funny, especially Shilheiba, the way he act. I like the way he act. He's a very good actor and very what's this he's a singer also, right? And dancer. So guys, for those new here in my channel, guys, I encourage you guys to watch Money for Music because you will be enjoy. Yes, like this, guys. See, I'm so enjoy to watch and I'm so happy. I can relate what's the song it's all about, guys. Thank you so much for having me here until the end of this video. Okay, and yeah, Mr. Mangal. I'm Mr. Mangal. Thank you so much again, guys, and yeah, I just wanna say that I'm so happy today because yesterday, until now I can't believe that I got 1,000K viewers, 1K viewers, guys, within 24 hours only. That's so impossible, guys, but because of your your participation to my channel, guys, thank you so much. I got this. I'm so thankful and I'm so very happy Yes, and this is my motivation to continue my reaction video. Alright guys, so thank you so much again guys. God bless you, and see you on my next reaction video. Alright, so thank you guys. I love you all, and God bless you. Bye bye.